Listen up! While you are struggling with poor engagements on your Facebook post and email deliveries, other marketers like you are having a swell time with messenger chatbots. Let me explain. When it comes to staying in touch with customers, a lot of things have changed, and it's no longer business as usual. Not anymore. Facebook post engagement performs badly recently, and it's no longer delivering the needed impact for businesses. A regular Facebook page post gets delivered to a little above 0.2% of your page followers. So to reach your followers, you would have to pay Facebook and boost your post. Imagine paying for every time you make a post. On the other hand, it's no news that email delivery is struggling. An average user receives up to 10 different emails every day, so as inboxes become crowded, open rates tend to be low. Fortunately, a new medium of communication has emerged, and it allows you to chat with your customers. So, what is it? Messenger chatbots. Just imagine that you are able to chat freely with your customers on Facebook. Instead of a regular post or email, you send them a message and it goes straight to their Facebook inbox like it's a message from a friend. And they in turn respond to your message and it lands in your messenger inbox. Now tell me, do you think this would boost your business and increase engagement? Of course it would. Your customers will have adequate trust in your brand, and you too will communicate with them anytime and not bother about message delivery issues. You're not the only one with this thought. Research has shown that 48% of consumers would rather connect with a company via live chat than any other means of contact. 57% of consumers are interested in chatbots for their instantaneity. 45.8% of consumers would rather communicate with a business through a messaging app than email. To put it simply, customers are on Messenger, so businesses ought to be there too. The fact is, Messenger chatbot is more effective and offers better chances of communicating and engaging with your clients. Fortunately, not so many people know this. According to Facebook's report, there are only 300,000 chatbots created on Facebook. Compared to businesses using Facebook, it's a small number, which means a lot of businesses are not using chatbots at the moment, making it an advantage for you if you start using a chatbot now. But that's also where the real problem lies. Messenger bots is a fairly new technology and requires experience and expertise to create. There are very few developers who can actually build one to work effectively for your business, and of course, they charge a very expensive amount. The average professional may charge between $5,000 to $10,000 to develop and integrate a chatbot to your website. Even if you don't pay much to get one for your business, time is money, and time is essential too. While you're waiting for your developer to get back to you with your chatbot, you're losing money, and your business is being affected too. But there's an easy way out, and that's where we come in. We are a team of messenger chatbot specialists involved in helping to strengthen the relationship between customers and brands and consequently grow your business. How we go about it? From conceptual design, analysis to full deployment and hosting, we handle everything concerning your chatbot setup. We understand that customer relationship management is essential in customer acquisition and retention. So we build your bots to fully engage with customers and visitors even when you're not present. We will integrate conversational flows and sequence to your bots to engage with your customers in real time. Customers love to get an instantaneous response when they come to your page or website. For this reason, we will design your chatbot to be as personal as possible with your customers and visitors. Keep in mind that we're not just creating chatbots for you. We are creating chatbots that will grow your business and boost your revenue. Now there's a possibility for you to engage and connect easily with customers, grow your businesses, and increase revenue. Take action now and contact us. Don't waste time any further.
Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you discover how to start managing a successful business by working with the right clients the right way. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck in everything. About all the information linked below in the description. Write in the comments about what new and profitable online resources would you like to learn and see in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be aware of all the new useful resources in the world. And of course, like if you liked the video.